Hello guys, welcome to CS, PS, and EPC Core Networks course. Let me first introduce myself to you as the course instructor. My name is Amir Magdy, and I will be your instructor in this course. I have more than 8 years of experience working in the core networks. My work experience was in more than one country, especially in Egypt and United Kingdom. Currently I am CS/IMS Core Solution Architect. We have 3 main topics that we will explain and discuss in our course. The first one is the CS circuit switching core networks, which is the voice part in 2G and 3G core network. The second part is the PS packet switching core network, which is the data part in 2G and 3G networks. The last part is the EPC VoLTE packet core network, which is the data packet part in 4G networks. Let's now start listing the content of each part of those 3 parts. We will start with the CS core voice, where CS core is the core nodes in any mobile network which is responsible for the voice calls and other services like fax and SMS. At first, we will talk about the core in each mobile generation and the difference in the core networks between them. Then we will explain the difference between the horizontal networks and vertical networks, and what is the current type we are using in current mobile networks. Then we will have a high-level view about the CS core network, from protocols and type of nodes perspective. After that we will explain the difference between the legacy and split architecture, and how the core network evolved from legacy MSC to split MSC server and media gateway. Then we will have a very good chance to know the role of each mobile network nodes, starting from the radio access nodes in 2G and 3G, passing by the core network nodes. After that we have a very important chapter, which is the identities in core networks. I consider it very important because it helps us in understanding the call flow in a very good way. Then we will got to have a signaling review. Here we will understand the main concepts of the SS7 and SIGTRAN, explaining each protocol and its signaling message in a very detailed way. Then we will head to the scenarios chapter. Scenario here is how signaling messages flow between network nodes during a specific operation. We will discuss the call flow, originating and terminating, also the SMS flow, and finally location update and registration flow. And then we will go to the features chapter, explaining the most important features implemented in CS core networks, like MNP mobile network portability and MSC and pool. And the final chapter we have here is knowing and understanding how we can design a CS core network. Thank you for watching. We will continue in the next video.